guys, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mama. My name is Maggie and here this week video piece. I got this dresser on a state sale for $10. I got a few more pieces and this one was outside near to the dump, but I expect then close and I saw this is walnut. Need too many repairs, but is walnut. The top is solid wood. You can see solid wood. We can identify the solid wood with when have these things, and really need you some repairs on veneer. Solid wood and has this brand. Solid wood need you a good cleaning, of course. Use some glue paper on inside the drawers. The drawers work so well. Some lipstick there. More repairs here. Missed the legs. And need more repair here. But have a good bones. And my plans for this cute dresser is leave what it is, just restore them. Let's go to start and enjoy the process. I hope I can do. Let's go to start. Usually I start to remove the hardware, but in this case I don't have hardware to remove. I'm going to start with a good cleaning with a crock cutter. First of all, I thought leave this baby like one wood like it is, but has too many fixes to do, and looks like somebody refinish this one time and miss the wood, the veneer peel in different sides. Has too many things to do. I did this drawer with body oil, but looks like has somebody did the refinish before and sand down the veneer, and I don't like this look, and the dresser has too many fixes. Let's go to paint. I'm going to use Bondo. Time to sand. I'm going to sand with 220 grit sandpaper, and I use my Warwick sander. I primer the body with Zinserbin shellac and primer. I use my roller and the sheet brush. For this dress I'm going to use this silver I made. Is a shark paint, Behr shark paint calligraphic charcoal with white. I make this silver. these drawers, I'm going to use this stencil. I already tried in one drawer for looks like a house. I'm used the same color I paint the dresser. I just go apply the stencil on the bottom of the drawer because I think some would show. I buy these legs on Amazon and I ask for unfinished but come finished. What I'm doing now, I'm taking off the finish. I'm going to use gel stain in color chestnut and I hope the color coming similar to the drawers. I needed to remove these nails from the drawer slides, you can see here, and I make a new ones because this hits the drawers and the drawers cannot slide very well with this one. I replace all the drawer stops the same size and same height for make sure the drawers work nice and smooth. Now I'm going to touch paint here and make this look nice. My dresser I'm going to use polyurethane in matte finish. And I'm going to apply with my Wagner paint spray gun. Of course, I'm going to use my safety mask and light sand between coats. Already has the holes here from the missing legs. I'm going to try. I bought this on Amazon. I don't need to use this because it has already the screws inside. I already tried this one. Cleaning outside on the wood and inside the drawers and refresh this wood. Here, before the final review, I want to talk a little bit about this guy. I bought this little dress on a state sale for $10, and this dresser was near to the dump. I asked to the guy if this dresser was for sale, and he looked at me like, this lady is crazy. I have too many stuff, good stuff to sell, and she asked me for that. And he says yes, and I bought this dresser. Who's follow me now how much I love take the furniture from the trash and give to the life again, and this is the case. I'm so very happy how this little dresser turns out, so beautiful on this boho style. I really enjoyed so much save this dresser. Can you guys comment below what you guys think about this little one? I want to thank you all for your support and love. Thank you so very much for your comments, for watching my videos, for buy my things from my Amazon wish list. From buy Makeover. Thank you so very much. No miss the next week video, will be fun. And here the sneak peek. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. That will be super helpful to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to make it. See you next one. Bye guys.